नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम इन our online study of mathematics.
Friends, in this video we will discuss about the mathematics of class 6 in which chapter number 3 playing with numbers, and this video is part 1 of playing with numbers. So let us be start the chapter 3 playing with numbers. So dear, first of all we know about the natural numbers. What is natural numbers? Numbers which we used in the counting is called natural numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on up to infinite. These all are the natural numbers. So now whole numbers. If 0 is included in the collection of natural numbers, the new collection is called whole numbers. So dear, we have already learned about the natural number. If we include 0 in the given natural numbers, so we will get the collection of natural numbers. So you can see that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on up to infinite, all are whole numbers. So now dear, prime numbers. What is prime numbers? The numbers other than 1 whose only factor are 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. Means if a number have no any factor except 1 and itself, then that type number is called prime number. So let's example. Here is first of all 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17, 19, etc. These all are the prime numbers because these numbers have no factors except 1 and itself only. But dear, you know 2 is the smallest prime number and this is also a even number. Okay, so keep in mind that 2 is the smallest prime number and this is also a even number only. Now next one, co-prime number. First of all we have to learn about the prime. After that, co-prime. What is the co-prime numbers? Two numbers having only one as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. Means you have any two numbers, you take any two numbers. If those numbers have only one common factor, then that all the numbers are called co-prime numbers. Let's example 4 and 15. These are co-prime numbers because the factor of 4 is 1, 2 and 4 itself, and factor of 15 is 1, 3, 5. So here is 1 is the common factor and no any one other are not any common factor. So these numbers are known as co-prime numbers. Next one, composite numbers. What is the composite number? So dear, numbers having more than two factors are called composite numbers. If the numbers have more than two factors, then that numbers are called composite number. For example, these are the composite numbers 8, 15, 27, 121, 132, etc. because factor of 8 is 1, 2, 4 and itself. So how many factors? 1, 2, 4 and 8. So there are 4 factors. It means this is a composite number. 15. The factor of 15 is 1, 3, 5 and 15 itself. So it means this have 4 factors. So therefore this is a composite number. Means it have more than 2 factors. Similarly, all other numbers are also known as the composite number. But keep in mind that 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. So always remember it, 1 is neither prime nor composite number. Now dear, moving for next, perfect number. What is the perfect number? Okay dear, so a number for which sum of all its factor is equal to the twice the number is called perfect number. Try to understand very carefully. A number for which sum of all its factor means if you find the sum of all factors and this is just equal to the twice of that given number, then this is called perfect number. So let's example, the number 6 and 28 are perfect number. How can you say? Let us understand. So dear, let's factor of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. Factor of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. But the sum of 1, 2, 3, 6 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, how equal to 12. And number was 6. So if you multiplied 6 by 2, then you will get 12. Sum is also 12 and the twice of number is also 12. So this is a perfect number. Let us another example. Let's all the factors of 28. 28 is a perfect number. How can you say? Because the factor of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. This is the factor of 28. But the sum of these factors, that is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28, how much? 56. This is the sum of all factors. But their number is 28 and 28 multiplied by 2 is also 56. So 28 is a perfect number because 20 is the twice of the given number. So this is the perfect number. I think that the concept is clear for the perfect number. Okay dear. Now moving for next, even numbers. What is the even number? So dear, a number which is divisible by 2 is called an even number. For example, 8, 16, 82, 124, 132 and so on. All these numbers are divisible by 2. So these are the even numbers. Now what is the odd numbers? If a number is not divided by 2, then all that type of numbers are called odd numbers. Numbers which is not divided by 2 is called odd numbers. Let's example 9. You can divide 9 by 2? No. 15. You can divide this 15 by 2? It is not also divided by 2. So these all are the odd numbers. Okay. Now the divisibility test. So let us first one, divisibility rule of 2. A number is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digits 2, 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place. Means without, what is the divisibility test? Means without actual division, only by the observation you can tell that the given number is divisible by 2 or not. How can you say? So you observe, if the ones place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, any one, then the given number is divisible by 2. For example, 10. So the ones place digit is 0, it means this is divisible by 2. 24. The ones place digit is 4, so this is also divisible by 2. And 38. Last digit, ones place digit is 8 and 8 is divisible by 2. So this number is also divisible by 2. You can say about the largest number. If you observe only ones place is divisible by 2, then you can say that that number is divisible by 2. Now the divisibility rule of 3. If the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Okay? To let us understand this with an example, let dear 126. This number is divisible by 3. If you divide this number by 3, then it is give you remainder 0. Means this is divisible. How can you say without actual process? Dear, you find the sum of the all digits. That is 1, 1, 2, 6. 1 plus 2, how much? 1 plus 2 is 3. And 3 plus 6 is 9. And 9 is divisible by 2. 9 is divisible by 2. Divisible by 3. Therefore, this is also whole number is divisible by 3. And 624. So, the sum of all the digits, that is 6 plus 2, 8. And 8 plus 4, that is 12. And 12 is always divisible by 3. Therefore, this number is also divisible by 3. So, without any actual division, you can only by observation tell that the number is divisible by 3. Let us last number, that is 7, 5, 6. So, sum of 7 and 5, 12. 12 and 7, so 12 or 6, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Therefore, the number is also divisible by 3. Now, the divisibility rule of 4. So dear, a number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last 2 digits is divisible by 4. Last 2 digit means ones place and tens place digit. Both simultaneously is divisible by 4. Then you can say that the whole number is divisible by 4. Let's example. 212. So you can observe that this is a red color number, that is tens place and ones place. 12. 12 divisible by 4. Yes, of course. So therefore 212 is also divisible by 4. 624. So last 2 digit you observe only. That is 24. 24 divisible by 4. Yes, of course. 24 divisible by 4 means 4 6 ja 24. So it is divided by 4. And 624 is also divisible by 4. 1936. This is also divisible by 4 because 36 is divisible by 4. And this number is also divisible by 4 because 16 is divisible by 4. Therefore, whole number is also divisible by 4. Okay. Now, the divisibility rule of 5. A number which has either 0 or 5 in its ones place is divisible by 5. You observe only one place in this case. If the ones place is 0 or 5, then you can say that without any actual process of division, that number is divisible by 5. So you observe here 125. So ones place digit 5, it means this number is divisible by 5. 620. So last digit is 0, it means this whole number is divisible by 5. And 1755, ones place digit 5, it means the whole number is divisible by 5. So this is the divisibility test of 5. Now the divisibility rule of 6. What is the divisibility rule of 6? So if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then it is divisible by 6. So for telling that number is divisible by 6 or not, you will test two tests here. First one, the number is divisible by 2 or not, and the number is 3, and the number is divisible by 3 or not. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then you can say that the number is divisible by 6. So let us understand with an example. So first one example, let's 312. So dear, 12 ones place is 2. It means you can say that this number is divisible by 2. And the sum of all digits 3 and 1, 4. 4 and 2, 6. 6 is also divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. It means this 312 is divisible by 6. Similarly, 624. Last digit is 4. It means this number is divisible by 2. And the sum of digits 6 plus 2, 8. 8 and 4, 12. And 12 is also divisible by 3. Therefore, whole number, that is 624, is divisible by 6. Similarly, other numbers are also divisible by 6. Now the divisibility rule of 8. So dear, for this, a number with 4 or more digits is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Means, for that divisibility rule of 8, you can observe last 3 digits, that is ones place digit, tens place digit and hundred place digit. If these 3 digits are divisible by 8, then the largest number is also divisible by 8. Let us understand with the example. This is the largest number, 5672116. So you observe only the digit 216, that is for the red color. 216, if divisible by 8, then whole number is also divisible by 8. So let us check. 21, 8 2 ja 16, and remainder is 5. So and you take 6, so 56, and 8 7 ja 56. It means 216 is divisible by 8. It means whole number is also divisible by 8. Let us next one number, 6252424. Again you check last red color numbers, that is 424. It is divisible by 8 or not. So 42. 8 5s are 40. Remainder is 2. Now the next number will be convert 24. And 8 3s are 24. It means this last 3 digits divisible by 8. Therefore, whole number is divisible by 8. Similarly, other numbers are also divisible by 8. Okay dear, now last divisibility rule of 9. If the sum of all digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number itself is divisible by 9. Means once again you will find the sum of all digits. If the sum is divisible by 9, then you can say that the number is divisible by 9. Let us understand with the example. 738. 7 and 3, find the sum of the digits. 7 plus 3, 10. And 10 plus 8, 18. 18 is divisible by 9. Yes, of course, 9 to the 18. So 738 is divisible by 9. Now next number, 1332. Sum of the digits of 1332. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Yes, 9 is also divisible by 9. We call 9 1 ja 9. So similarly, all other numbers are also divisible by 9. How can you check? By adding the digits. If the sum is divisible by 9, then the whole number is divisible by 9. Now the divisibility rule of 10. You observe only ones place digit for this case. If a number is divisible by 10, if it has the digit 0 in its ones place. Okay. So let us understand with the example. First number is there 312, 3120. So last digit is 0. It means the given number is divisible by 10. 6240. Last digit is 0. It means the number is divisible by 10. Similarly, other digits are also containing 0 in ones place. Therefore, all numbers are divisible by 10. Now the divisibility rule of 11. Dear, try to understand how can you find the divisibility rule of 11. So dear, find the difference between the sum of the digits at odd place and the sum of the digits at even place of the numbers. If the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Once again, it is clear the concept. You will find the sum first of all at the even place digits and odd place digits. After that, you find the difference of both result. If the difference is 0, otherwise it is divisible by 11, then that largest number is also divisible by 11. So let us try to understand with the example. How can you find the divisibility test of 11? 308. This is a number. So dear, we have to take a table. 308. So dear, this is ones place and third place. That is means odd place. Sum of the digit at odd place. 8 plus 3, that is 11. Okay. And here is even place is only 0. So you will write 0. Therefore, difference of 11 and 0. 11 and 0 is 11. And this is divisible by 11. Yes, of course. 11 1 ja 11. Therefore, 308 is divisible by 11. Clear? Next number is 1331. So dear, this is 1. 1 is the 1 and third place. Ones place and third place. Okay. So these are odd number. You will find the sum 1 plus 3, that is 4. And the even place, that is this 3 and this 1. So the sum of 3 and 1 is also 4. Now difference of 4 and 4, 0. So you will get 0. It means the number is divisible by 11. Now let us this number. So dear, this is odd place number, that is 1, 6 and 8 and 9. This is the odd place number because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 3 all are the odd place number. So you find the sum 9, 8, 6, that is this 6, this 8 and this 9, that is odd place digit. It is 23. And the even place, that is 1 and 0. Then sum of 1 and 0, 1. Now difference 21 and 1, 22. And 22 is divisible by 11. Yes, of course, because 11 2 ja 22. So this number is divisible by 11. So this is the divisibility test of 11. Now dear, moving the LCM, that is lowest common multiple. What is the lowest common multiple? So let us. The lowest common multiple, that is LCM. This is the short form of lowest common multiple of two or more given number is the lowest of their common multiple. Means you will find the lowest common multiple of two and more given numbers. Let us understand with an example to find the LCM of 24 and 90. How can you find? So first of all, we will find the factors of 24. The factors of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Because 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. Okay. Now the factors of 90, that is 2 into 3, 2 into 3 is 6. And 3 into 3, 2 into 3 is, that is 6, and 6 into 3, 6 3 ja 18 and 18 5 ja 19. So this is the factor of 90. Okay. Now you observe the lowest multiple. So here is compare both. Here is 3 times 2 and here is 1 times 2. So you take this all the 2 for the LCM, and the 3 here is the present and here is 2 3 present. So you take these 2 3 for the LCM. So you will find the LCM all these 2 and all these 3 and remaining 5 is also. Therefore the LCM of 24 and 19, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, that is 360. Okay. Means you will take the highest multiple of 2, that is here is 2 is present 3 times, so you all take 2, and 3 is present 2 times, here is 1 times, here is 2 times, so you will take this 3 2 times, and 5 is present only, both number is only 1 time, so you will take this 5. Therefore multiplication of this one is 360. So this is the LCM of 24 and 90. Now next one is highest common factor, that is HCF. What is the HCF? The highest common factor, that is HCF, of two or more given number is the highest of their common factors. It is also known as greatest common divisor, GCD. HCF and GCD both are same things, greatest common divisor. Let us understand how to find the HCF. So we have to take same example, that is 24 and 90. What is the HCF of 24 and 90? So factor of 24, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, 8 3 is 24, and factor of 90, that is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, that is 2 3 is 6, 3 6 is 18, 18 5 is 90. So this is the factor of 90. Now you observe the both numbers, factors of both numbers. Here is 2 present in both number. Okay, maximum 2 is only one time. So the HCF you can take 1 2. And 3, you can see 3 is also present in the 24 and 3 is also present in the number 90. Only one times both places. So you will take only 1 3. And other factors are not present in both number. So you will take only 2 and 3. So the 2 3 is 6 is the HCF of the given number. Means you will take here only common factors. If you select only common factors and multiply both, then you will get the HCF of the given number.
So thank you friends to watching my video up to last, and don't forget to like, share and comment it, and subscribe my channel for getting first of all my video. Thank you once again.